This will be a quick demo to show you how easy it is for you to edit and maintain your website if you choose to do it yourself instead of having me do it for you. I have a very basic template up right now, and if I wanted to change anything with the menu up here, I have the home, about, companies, and contact. So I just have to go up here to the pages option on the menu, and it's going to bring up the pages and navigation. If I want to reorder, I simply click and drag and drop it wherever I want it to be on the home order. If I want to create a sub page, I just have to simply drag it over a little bit, and it's now going to be a contact is now a sub page of companies. If I want to change it back, I just slide it back over and it's changed. If you want to delete a page, all you have to do is click the trash can here and it will delete a page. And if you want to add a new page, all you have to do is click new page and it'll create a new blank page for you to start editing. And it will automatically add it to your menu. So let's take a quick look at editing for this example, a slideshow. So if I click on the slideshow here, and then I come over to the side, I have a little properties option, and you'll see a little button here that says manage. All I have to do is click manage, and it brings up this specific gallery, the slideshow gallery. So in here I have 3 images. If I wanted to reorder the images, I just do the same thing as I did with the pages. I click and drag and place it in whichever order I want the pictures to follow. If I want to delete an image, I can click the trash can just like the pages, or I can delete all images if I want to get rid of everything and start over. You have the option here of upload images, so you would just click that and you would just browse to where you have the images located on your computer and upload them. And then again, you can reorder them once they're uploaded. For text, if you want to edit a text field on the page, so in this case there's a title right here, if you click on it, it's going to select that element box for you that text is in. And this is where you can click and drag, and you can move it all around the page if you want. You can put it wherever it is that you want it to be. And you'll see little lines come up, and that's in order to help you make sure that you've got the alignment set up so that things match on your website. Just gives you a little bit of extra tools. Now to edit this box, all I have to do is simply double click, and I get my editing options. It'll just be like using Microsoft Word for the basic elements that you're going to be editing. So I can highlight and remove, I can take off 2 letters, I can add them back in just like a text editor like Microsoft Word. I can add an image, I can create a link from the text, and I can make it bold, italic, underline. And then over here you have the different design options. So you can change the font, and it's a drop down, and you'll be able to choose what font you want. You can change the color just by double clicking on the round circle there, and then you can go through and choose your colors, and it will turn it over to your new color for what you've highlighted. You can change the font size, you can change the margins, you can change the alignment, so if you wanted it center or on the right, you just click those buttons like you would in Microsoft Word. And then once you're done editing, all you have to do is click off of that box, and you'll see the box disappear around the text. And unless you double click again, you won't be able to edit that. Same type of idea for the images, except this time you would double click on the image and then just browse to where the image is, and it will place it in that element for you, that image element for you. I'm going to delete this image, and I'm just going to show you how you can easily add different things to your website. So let's say we're going to go into the galleries element tab over here, and let's say we are going to add a thumbnails gallery. So if you click and drag it over to your page and then drop it in your page, it will create that for you on your page. Now as you can see here, it went below the total height that I have for the page. That's easy to fix. All I do is come over here to this blue line until the cursor changes to the 2 arrows, and then I drag it down. You can see the page is getting longer. Come back and click on the gallery, and I just click and drag to where I want it on the screen. I can place it anywhere that I desire to have it. So let's just place it there for this quick demo. And as you can see, I have the different images down here in the thumbnails, and then I have the image in a larger view right here. Let's say I want to edit the images that are available to view in that gallery. Just like the slideshow, I would come over here to the properties, manage, and do all the changes that I did with the slideshow with clicking and dragging, as well as you can delete all and then you would save it. And to delete just the one picture, you could just hover over it and then you can click the trash can. So that's how easy it is to add elements to a page. If I wanted to delete this element, then I can just simply click on it and then hit the delete button on the keyboard, and it's gone. So you can easily edit and change things around to create new pages, or to create a new layout, or to change images to update with new information if you want to do it yourself instead of have me do it.